got him upset. Okay. It's chicken feeding time again. Oh, you stay away from my chickens there, and we won't have any problems. Yeah, Mr. Sly Guy. Don't even come near my chickens. He's coming kind of close. What are you doing? You're okay. Oh yeah, we're gonna get back on that today. But before we do, gotta take care of business. Oh, it's a nice sloppy mess in here. See if they ate all this cabbage I put down here yesterday when they were stuck in here. No, they just used it as... No, they ate half of it. I'm gonna have to clean that out today. Okay, girls, hold on. I'll be back with something for you. What are we having for breakfast today? No, we're not having those. These are what the girls are eating. Strawberries. Not those either. Tomatoes. Local store gives them to me. Let's go take them back and see what they want to eat. Guys want some strawberries? Well, here's the top, and as you can tell, it's totally rotted. I mean, totally. They put the air vent on Didn't even glue the screws or the bolts, nuts. It's just a real nightmare. Alright, let me get this off, and like I said, I can't show you everything, but I will be back. Well, here's where we're at. Got the bubble off. This is totally shot. I think what we're gonna have to do is cut back here, reinforce this with some 2x4s, and then gonna have to put some more plywood over it, and then put some rubber over it with some sealant. Well, let me tell you something. That's a real pain in the butt working on these things. I'll never do it again. But there's where I got to so far. I got that filled in. There ain't gonna be no skylight there. And we're just gonna go over top of that mess right there. That's all I can tell you. So that's it for day one. It's terrible. Okay. I know. I asked for it. This is what you get when you ask for trouble. Alright, see you in a bit. I know it's not much, but it's the best that I can do. Okay. Alright, I'm not ripping all that out. I'm going to put more insulation up there, and I'm going to just go right over top of it. And we'll see how it turns out. It's just going to be used for hunting. Okay,